Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the Leak 1 effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effect, Video Effects, Light Effect, and then scroll down to find the Leak 1 effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, and we're going to actually bring it to the end of the clip. And now we can go up to the special effects tab and mess with the atmosphere and the speed. So what the atmosphere does is it kind of increases the side lights. And we're going to bring that all the way down and add a keyframe. And now we're going to go up to the beginning or more towards the end of the clip and add the atmosphere all the way up, and the keyframe automatically adds to that. So let's take a look. And there you have it, the Leak 1 effect on CapCut. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.